Glove. All right, hang in there, hold your ground. You got a side kick, so you can hold your ground. Go. Side kick it now, side kick, not roundhouse.
Quit using that kick, Caleb.
Right. Yeah. Roundhouse here. You're using a good kick. I like that pretty flowing. I'm gonna put you in
Well, it's nice and pretty, but
it's pretty, but it isn't necessarily effective. Watch your spin. You know, you don't want to get your back turned and spin on a guy that you know you're giving him an easy advantage to be able to score on you. Don't give him that advantage. It's all about strategy and smarts. Be smarter than him. Don't let him have the easy point. Up gloves. Keep your head on him. Good. Keep your fighting stance on him too. Side kick. Sure. Arc move. Get that leg down. Arc move. When he's standing leg in there, you arc move punch. Right. Turn back. Not there. And a lot of roundhouse at that top of the foot. Let me see your side kick. Yeah, that's it. That's the one right there. See, that'll get you respect. That side kick. Up gloves. Ready? Go. I'm gonna do push-ups. Hot dog. He did a side kick drilling. All right, good job. That's the way. That's what it is. And if you use that, get used to that. That thing's gonna be there. Ready? Go. Watch your hand, Toby.
Arc move.
Right. Good turn in there. Ready? And every now and then, take away that goodness of that front leg. Make yourself change body. Change body. Yeah. Does it feel good that side? It's okay. It may be not as good, but see, he changed over too. So now let's see how good that leg. Let's see if that leg is as good as that one on the front. If it is, well, you got trouble. If it is, then you got to learn to fight him for sides of the body so that you can make him fight right there to take that front leg away. You see what I'm saying? Right, baby. Go. Go to him now. Go to him with that.
Critical distance.
Hands.
Get in there. Critical distance. Critical distance.
Nice round kick there. But you got to do some hands in there, my glove. When he's got that leg up, you got to arc around, get that leg down on the ground, and use hands. Go. Right.
Good.
Yes. Good critical distance.
Good.
One. Go.
I wonder where you've seen that one.
Right. I couldn't see it on that side. That roundhouse so good. That means you're going to get rid of this, Caleb. You got to get rid of that body right there, and you're going to go. You reach his bam, and then catch him in the middle. Make him fight your way. You see what I'm saying? Don't let him get that cross body. He wants to use that front leg. Don't let him. All right, change over, Antoine. See? You got to make him fight your way. You got to fight him for that side body. My gloves. You see where he's at? You change over? You changed over yet? Yeah, don't start him out with it. Go. There you go. There you go. That eliminated it. Keep it ready. Change over. Change over. Right. That's it. That's it. See, neutralizes it after that. Ready? Look where you're at. Yeah. Think about it. You got to think. Go. Hold that ground. Where's your side kick? Circle. Right. Hold that ground. You got to hold the ground. Side kick. You got a side kick. Ready? Go. Go to him. Go to him. Hands. Right. Good job. Good job. Recall that kick a little bit more, Antoine. It looks real good. One gloves. One more time. One more exchange. Go. Go to him, Antoine. Recall that leg.